Hi, in this video I will show you how to change the fonts for your custom name on the TikTok. So the process is pretty simple. Open your web browser, any browser you are using, and write Lingo Jam. So once you will search it, click here on the first one and write your name. I'll write Zen Edits, and you will see it generate multiple design. Now select any design you want to. So I simply copy it, and now open your TikTok and from edit profile click on it. Now go to username. Now paste that name here. So you can easily change your fonts on the TikTok from this site. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.